Hello. Okay, so this is me not being happy with the painting of the roses. So after it had dried, I came back again, decided to change some things. So the first thing I'm changing there, you can see, is I changed the stems and made like a cross in them. Rechanged the background. Obviously painted it blue, and and just went over the roses again. Looking at my paints I'm using, again it's titanium white, Hansa yellow, raw umber, transparent orange. Then I got Windsor red. I think it's sap green, ultramarine blue, ivory black. I did put on quite a few transparent colours, and the Hansa yellow is quite transparent, and hence using the transparent orange. I got the transparent orange from Gambling, and I wanted to get there wasn't really much colour in the roses, so I wanted to get a bit more colour in, and trying to make them a bit more three-dimensional as well. Yeah, this is me painting in normal speed because I just was like, want to get this done. No, I wish I could paint that fast, really. Anyway, I'm just just going through that first rose. And I was putting a lot of blue paint I was picking up from the background onto the other rose where I was resting my hand. That's why I just gave that a quick wipe. Yeah, it certainly was a learning experience painting these roses, and picked up lots of things I can do better next time. So anyway, I hope you like the finished roses at the end, and please subscribe and like any videos that you do like. And I'm going to do a few more flower paintings. So I will see you when I make the next video. Okay, thanks, and see you soon.